Sabrina, are you going to cook? You're going to cook? Let's see. Show me. We're making what? Mac and cheese? You need to mix that. Let me see. Let me see. One dish. Okay, that's the mac and cheese. And now we'll show you mixing it when it's done. Okay, what are you making? What are you making? Show me. What are you making? You're making, what are you making? It's mac and cheese? Let me see. What kind? What kind? What kind is it?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man what?
Spider-Man.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Take it. Take it. Oops. Sorry. Okay. Okay. It's almost done.
Yeah.
It's in here.
Yeah. In there. What's he?
Careful.
What's he, Mom? What's he, Mommy?
Okay. You gonna try stirring it? Okay, let me see if I can get you to. Okay.
Oh.
Careful.
Okay, I've got my phone.
Okay. Good job. Careful.
There you go.
Good job. Thank you. No, don't eat that. Don't.
There you go.
Thank you.
There.
Stir. What do you sing when you stir? Stir.
Sir, ready to offer.
Slowly.
Do everything.
Thank you. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you. Good job. We have Sabrina. We have 3 minutes and a half to go. Okay? Then we mix in the cheese. You want to do it again? Here, we're gonna go up. Let's get up. Okay. Ready? Take that. Remember to do it slowly, though. See how you can get it. Now sing your song. Slowly.
Oh, hot.
It's hot, exactly. Okay, sing the song. Slowly. 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 Okay. Oh, that's it. All better? All done? Thank you. Oh. Drain the macaroni and cheese. Oops. Okay. You ready to stir, Sabrina? Okay. All right, take it over to our chef. Sí, lo va a hacer ella. La va a cocinar ella, lo va a mezclar. Okay, you ready? Take it to our chef. This is very hot, okay? Don't touch. Very, very hot. Okay. Oops. See how hot that is? What do you think? Is it good? Okay, hold on. We're going to stir in. Cut this. Is it good? Smells good, huh? Cut. No, that's not for you to touch. That's not for you to touch. Thank you. Exactly. Here you go. Put that in the bowl. Exactly. Put more. All of it. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now put in the milk. Careful. Very good. And then you put in the butter. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and put it in the jar, in the bowl. Oops. You can just tip it if you want. Like this. And just take it and tip it. Oops. Okay. One more. Oh. Okay. Now start stirring. Here you go. Here you go. Slowly. Slowly. Remember, it's very hot. I'll hold it. I'll hold it for you.
No, Sonny, I'll hold it.
You can hold it?
You're hot.
Wow. Good job, Sabrina. Slowly. Slowly.
Okay.
No rush. Very good. Is it hard or is it easy? It's easy.
Better.
Okay, good job.
Good. Oh,
Remember, it's hot. How's it taste? How's it taste? Sabrina, how does it taste?
yummy.
Yummy? Yep, good job. Go get your bowl and the fork or whatever you want to eat with. Spoon or fork. Good job. Okay. What about a fork? A fork, Sabrina. That's right. ¿Qué? No, 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 se fue a Publix. Okay. Oops. Now, let's get the serving spoon. Hold on 1 second. Hang on, Sabrina. All done? Hold on. Now you enjoy. Oh boy, careful. It's hot, hot.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Honey.
It's not honey, it's cheese.
Honey.
Okay, enjoy. Okay, Sabrina, stop eating from the table. Eat from here.
Honey.
Okay. Is it hot? Hot. Is it good?
There you go.
What do you think?
Thank
Hey, Lauren. Is it good? Is it delicious?
Yeah.
You made it. You know that? You did a good job. All right. Say mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Yummy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.